Hey guys, welcome back. Today we want to talk about this Tesla, crazy things happening in the last week. First of all, guys, incredible turnout of my portfolio. Let me give you a quick update of what I'm doing here. There's a little glitch, guys. One of the viewers showed me this glitch. Misty is not $50, but it's $30. So these part of my composition of my portfolio is wrong. It's not 275 because you calculate at $50, but it's at 30 or 35. But this is not the point, guys. Like I say every time, guys, also in this case, not look how much money is worth your portfolio if you are a growth investor portfolio, if you have a cash flow portfolio, if you the typology of investment you do, it's taking money from your portfolio every single month, right? But this is the crazy part about all this situation, guys. I was like 3 weeks ago, I was like $40 under. So it means that my portfolio, the if I choose to sell the portfolio that day, I will be down $40,000, guys. So for this, I'm telling you, no, just like focus how much is worth your portfolio. If only thing that you want is getting money out from your portfolio every single month, right? But look what happened, guys. In the last 2 3 days after the election, guys, my portfolio is up a total of $200,000. Now, guys, thinking about this was like in 2 days. In 2 days, the portfolio went up $200,000, right? In a single day, guys, $42,000. This is like craziness, 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 guys. And again, all this came because of Tesla. And if you see, let me go through a little bit. If I go in the portfolio, right, and let's go in Tesla. Let's see if I can find Tesla right here. Guys, Tesla was my worst investment. I was still getting money monthly, right? But the NAV erosion was like incredible, right? Because the underlying stock, Tesla, I mean, you guys need to understand Tesla, Nvidia. It's not because the actually Tesla ETF or Nvidia ETF, it's a bad decision or it's a bad strategy to make money. It's just that the underlying stock, in this case, Tesla, we're like going under almost every single week or every single month, or these are analysts or somebody that want to try to make money shorting the stock, continue to short the actually Tesla stock, creating Tesla, and all the people like me and most of you most likely that invest in Tesla to get like frustrated because they do. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to lose money, right? So but look at this what happened, guys, right? Now the total gain is $4,000, right? And in one single day, I made like $3,000. So a cost base that how much it cost me to invest in this Tesla of $58,000 is switch in $62,000. Let me see if I can show you also. Again, I can show you just one of the account because I don't want to show my I don't want to make public all my account. Um, but let me show you one. Uh, Maybe I can show you my older one, Robinhood. My Robinhood account. Let's see. See if I can find Tesla, just to give you a reference, guys. Again, guys, these maybe you're not to show off how much I have, or how much or what I have, or what. It's just to give you, a path for you to decide if you wanna do something similar or better what I'm doing. And please share with me if you have a better way to make money. Please let us know because we want to learn as well from you guys. Now, let me see if I can show you how much money I made until now of my investment, right? Let's do a whole. Let's switch in dividend. Search, 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 search. Let's see if I can transfer this with you here so you guys can take a look. All right, guys. So this is my TSLY. And again, I titled this video today, TSLY, Tesla will make us a millionaire, right? We will be Tesla millionaire, right? Why I'm saying this, guys? I mean, thinking about, I made until now, guys. So this is in dividend. This is like every month Tesla pay me just to invest in Tesla, and this is what uh, monthly dividend does to you. Last month or this month, I got, guys, 1,795. This is a 1,795 that come just for you to hold the Tesla stock, right? Now, the month before, guys, uh, uh, November 1st, October 1st, actually, yeah, a little bit more than a month, right? I got another $1,000, guys. Before that, I got 96. Before that, I got six. Before that, I got another six and 162. I just got back in Tesla because um, this is the time that they switch from a monthly dividend. Actually, before they were like paying every dividend, YieldMax were paying, I think, the 30 weeks. And I'm a big believer that I want to spread out my money every single week. So I have cash come in every single week. Why? Because your bills, my bills, are coming to our mailbox. Every time that I go outside and I decide to go to check if there's mail, there's a bill right there, right? Now, every day come a bill, every week come a bill. Why I need to get paid one time a month, right? So I choose to come back in Tesla, and I made already, let's say, let's call it 3,000. What is that? 112, yeah, maybe 62. Let's say that I made the $3,000, right? So far, this is one account. I have another account that I made maybe something similar, guys. But let's say just this account, right? So just to be conservative, $3,000 in this account. Plus, now I have an appreciation of another. Is this Tesla? Tesla. I have an appreciation another 4,500, right? I mean, like, dude, what you doing of your life? You know what I mean? I know. I mean, I'm no genius, but if a Tesla go up, Tesla go up. So what will happen? You think now that Elon Musk, it's it's kumbaya with Trump. What do you think it will happen? Of course, he cannot be in the government, right? But he's whispering in the ear of Trump, hey, electric is good. Psst, psst, electric is good. Electric car is good. Man, I'm just saying, dude. The first thing is that Elon Musk will ask Trump to do, or maybe Trump will do by himself. And again, guys, this is not political. My show here, my videos here are not political. I don't care if you're Republican. Democrat. I don't care. What I care about money is what I care. You know what I mean? Honestly speaking, I don't even want to tell you if I'm a Republican or Democratic. What I want to tell you though, is this, bro. In the last 2 3 days, guys, my portfolio has been like crazy. I think that we made in one. Oh yeah, maybe I can show you. Where is exactly where it is? Overview, I guess. $200,000, guys. This is say total, guys, but this is the last 2 3 days. Tell me what you will do. Huh? What you will do? You will just say, I know, principle, your political things, but guys, we need to think about also something that affect me and you. And this is what affect me and you. It's put the food on our table, talking about, just giving education to our kids, bring them to a good school or a better life, you know if you're a single mom, a single dad, you know, I don't want to, there is like one part of the political spectrum that they want to give a free money, right? And there is another political part of our political spectrum that they want to do. They want to just make more money. Which one you want to be, guys? I don't need free money, guys. I work. You work. We work, all of us, we work, right? We don't need the free money. We need more opportunity, right? It's like these things, man. I think at one part of the I don't even tell you who is, but part of the political spectrum, they want to go even against crypto. Bro, give us something. We want to be rich too. Give us something, man. I don't understand. I don't get it, man. We want to be rich too. We don't need your free money. We want just opportunity. We don't want to pay. I lost almost 1 million point two. I, actually, it was 1 million point four. 1,400,000 I lost it because I need to pay short capital gain. And those people want to make even more tax. Because, dude, okay, I made with my talent, right? With my skill. And this can be you guys. Every time when I talk about me, guys, this is not about me. This is more bigger than me. This is about us, right? Us as investors, right? I made 1 million point four. And I didn't cash out because I was thinking in my brain, bro, I need to give another $700,000 to Uncle Sam. I mean, it was stupid, Remember these guys. This is one thing that we can learn from my videos here. Nobody get broke when you get profit, right? So if I made 1 million point four, and this was with guys, I'm talking about old time. I mean, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, it was this coin that a friend of mine, a dear friend of mine, his name is Harold. I hope he's looking at this video. Called me and told me, "Hey, dude, I'm investing in this coin. I think that you should do too." And I did it. And he was like a 4 or 5 million. I think it was a 6 million at one point because he started 2 3 months before me. And after 2 3 months, when I started, I was on 1.4 million, and I didn't do it because the tax, the tax, guys, the tax. You tax us, right? And what will happen with this money? We see like that you guys get all this money, man. You know what I mean? You know, you know what I mean. I cannot say. I don't want to say it because I don't want. But this is the thing, guys. Like I say every time, guys, we want to see this part. We want to see how much money we can make, not make, how much money we can take off from from this like Pandora box that every month is coming full of money. You want to grab it and take it off, and there's more money coming. And we want to grab it, take it off. This is our philosophy, right? Very simple, right? We want to have an income every single week, every single month. This is what we want. Very simple. Now, let's listen a little bit. Um, and again, guys, this is like why I represent this video with this old guy laughing. Hey, by the way, guys, what do you think about my mug? Huh? Tesla changed my life mug. You can order on the link below. Oh, the coffee is so good on my mug, man. Oof, oof. Mm. Bull and bear. So inventive, huh? But let's talk about serious stuff, guys. So Tesla, right? I call this can be us, guys. This can be you. This can be me. We need to just start to invest in a little bit, guys. And again, Tesla is to the roof right now. But I don't think it is stop, guys. Why? This is just the beginning. Trump will be in power in January. We have a month. And we don't know what will happen, guys. And again, this is not political things, but all the all the spider sense what's happening right now is that Tesla will go to $1,000. Now, bro, like this is this is crazy. I know, man. I'm so excited. I know. I just want to show you something though. Now, I forgot to even check these guys. Look at the total gain, guys. Look at the total gain. Now I have 1,535. What will happen if this will multiply by 1,000? This is 1,535. I mean, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I will have just 1 million point five. Again, guys, when I say this, it's not just to show off it, to flex how much money I have. Guys, I'm screaming to buy Tesla for the last like 5 months, 5 months. I hope that some of you guys maybe so Tesla in a different way and maybe bought a little bit Because right now you would be really happy. Like I'm really happy. But again, guys, I bought these. Let's see if I can show you how much the average share that I did, guys. Because I buy a little bit at a time, guys. I got some of the share, maybe $170. But because I buy every time a little bit, I right now I'm like $200, 204, 204. But guys, it went up $120 a share times 1,535. This is the total gain. So I'm making $178,000. Now tell me, guys, I know that a lot of you guys under real estate, right? I mean, you can have this appreciation in like in 2 3 days, maybe. I don't know. Maybe if they need to building like a highway close to your house, and they want your house, maybe you can get this money. But in real estate, you need to wait like 5, 6, maybe 10 years, guys. This is the power of stocks. Now, guys, this is not financial advice. Of course, you do you, I do me. But my point is, I can liquidate this asset today, or maybe today no, but Monday. I can liquidate like this. I can get the money back. Of course, I would pay tax. Every time that you sell stock, guys, it's a taxable event. So be careful what you do. You know, ideally, you want to keep it for a year. After a year, the tax change from a short capital gain that I think is 50% to a long capital gain after 1 year that you hold the stock and you got that increase of a value, right? Now, we don't talk about the money that you put in. We talk about the money that you gain. That is the taxable part. Again, guys, if you keep it after 1 year from 50, I think it will go to 25%. So that is long capital gain. So ideally, this is why I'm telling you guys, maybe we need a politician or we need somebody that is on the power, somebody that make a lawmaker that maybe look up also for us. Again, guys, I know, I know this is a corrupt, there's a corruption everywhere. So I understand your frustration. But dude, I don't know. I say every time like this, man. I say every time like, what you will do if you will be in the power, you will see all these, you know, money around. What you will do. Yeah. Just ask your question. Ask to yourself this question: what you will do if you will be in charge of all this money? The thing is that if the wealth is spread, right? I make money, you make money, he make money, everybody make money, everybody's happy. But there is like a class, a part of the people that they want to get just the money by themselves. You see what I'm saying? But again, guys, let me show you a little bit of video, the last video that was in show. This is from Yahoo Finance, and this is one of my analysts that I really love. Let's listen. Let's hear a little bit what they
Yes,
say.
now is Wedbush Securities Managing Director and Senior Analyst Dan Ives. Dan, always good to see you, have you on the show. Let's start there, Dan. With Tesla, Kathy Wood, she is a believer. She invests in Elon Musk companies. You look at the move Tesla has made, Dan, 30% over the past month. What is driving that, in your opinion?
It's a new era with Trump, because ultimately, if you look now, autonomous is going to get fast-tracked, in our opinion.
Guys, let me stop right there. I didn't even talk about autonomy. This is why I'm telling you, Tesla don't even start, guys. Energy, like a mega pack, solar roof, I don't know, power wall. What we want to talking about? FSD, food safety, robot taxi, the humanoid robot. What we want to talking about? That's like not even start. I'm sorry.
And that is significant because of Tesla and the AI future. I believe that's worth $1 trillion alone in terms of that AI piece to Tesla. And that's why, for Musk, the bet on Trump, it's a poker move for the ages.
It was a big bet, and listen, it was the right bet for Musk. I get the autonomy piece, but next year, Dan, would it be your bullishness based on you see accelerating delivery growth?
Well, I think three things. One, the first thing Trump's going to do is he's going to basically take away EV tax credit. So that's negative for the industry, for the Detroit three, of course, GM, Ford, bullish for Tesla because it gives it, they have a price and a scale and a scope advantage significant. Okay. Two, I believe the autonomous AI vision, cybercab, this could get accelerated by years. By the end of next year, we could be talking cybercab.
I don't know if you guys know what is a cybercab, but let me show you, just let me tell you a little bit. Cybercab would be kind of like a Uber service where the car don't have anybody inside. There's no steering wheel, there's no accelerator, there's no pedals. The car drive by itself. Now, many of you can say, you guys are crazy. Drive by itself. I have a Cybertruck, I have a Model Y, and I have a Model 3. All three of them drive me from point A to point B. Right now, it's supervised, what means I need to looking at, you know, right now there's any time like in some of the travel that I do, and I do like 30-40 minutes of a commute, right? Maybe there is like an exit that I don't want to take, or maybe it's going too caution and go too slow, so I want to accelerate. So I need to supervise what it means. Or sometimes what it does, sometimes is going on the left lane, but I know that in a mile there is an exit where I need to go on the right lane, and there is traffic. So the car at one point, when I try to go back and cutting the traffic, so I don't like that because people get mad at me. And so I try to, I take control and I don't let the car go in the left, in the further left lane, right? I keep it because I know that in a mile there is an exit. I don't want to fight with the people, right? So right now it's supervised. But by the next year, guys, and again, guys, this is the genius of Elon Musk. He building these AI supercomputers called Colossum, right? Whatever. And another one is called what is called Cortex, right? He made these two computers, supercomputer. One is for AI, XAI, and one is for Tesla, right? And they are continuing to feed, data in. Where did they get the data? Telling what they get the data. In every car, in every Tesla car that you see around, there are two computers. There's two chips. One is what you drive. The other chips is what the computer wanna drive to drive. And every time when you do a change or when you do something that you don't match, the Tesla car send that data. Why you turn? There's also a button you can record. They say, "Hey Tesla, the Tesla just almost want to exit, but I don't want to exit." And you send that to Tesla. It's something that you do because you want to make the system better, right? And with some in some nation, I guess in Europe or in China, whatever they are right now, they have the same concept, and they what they call they run the car run in the shadow mode. Means that you don't feel anything, you don't see anything, but every time the computer try to drive your car, in a fictitious way, just like a video game, right? You actually drive the car, but there's the computer inside the hood that try to say, dude, I want to go on the left. Why the human want to go on the right? And if this no match, they say that little link say, hey, these two driver no match, the human and the synthetic driver no match. Tesla get the data, put it in cortex, a cortex or colossum, say, hey dude, this is the thing, so the driver, so I need to change much more, the computer need to behave much more like the human. This is 1 year 2 year, guys, this will be unsupervised, means that the car drive by itself. I don't know if you guys saw the robotaxi, the We Robot event. It was like on 1010, guys. It was just amazing, guys. And if you don't have a vision, even if until now you don't see where this is going, bro. I mean, and this is all these analysts. This is only analysts. These Dan here, these analysts that you see here. He's the only one that see this potential. All the other people, they just like, let's go $10 more in valuation, bro. This stock, it's a million, it's a $1,000 stock, and I know that people continue to say, "Oh, it's super evaluate. This is over evaluate." No, bro, you evaluate Tesla as a car company. This car is a robotic. This car is an AI company. And you continue to thinking about that they do cars. They don't do cars, baby. They do robot on wheels. Is what they do. I mean, and for an evaluation of a company like Tesla, you need to think about that most likely at one point the revenue will be 80%, 90% because it's software. The software you make one time and you sell it more and more and more. The full self-driving. Imagine Ford or Toyota will start to license this soft. I think they should do it because if not, they will die. Why they will die? Because they cannot compete with the Tesla. And all this political part, you need to learn the same thing, guys. Never bet against Elon Musk. And I'm telling you guys why? Because I tried to 3 times and I lost every time money. Sometimes I try to short the Tesla in this life, right? In this my because I was thinking, dude, Tesla is going down. Let me make some money. Boom, Tesla go up again. So after like some time, boom, 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 I bet against Elon Musk and I lost money again. So you know what? I learned my lesson. Why? Because dude, if somebody smash you on the face like one time, maybe you don't want to go there. Maybe you don't want to fight with the guy, right? Like, you need to learn. But again, guys, this guy is he understand what's going on, what's up, guys. And again, it's all about software, guys. It's all about like Tesla is not a car company, guys. You need to learn this part.
As we actually start to see. And I think this is accelerates that strategy. And I think the third thing is a lot of the broader regulatory issues that have been an overhang on Tesla. I think that essentially now goes away. I mean, they'll still be there, but Musk is going to be a whisperer in the White House, and that is something the market's factoring in a Trump win, a red sweep.
Let me ask you, Dan, I'll ask you the same question we had for Kathy Wood, which is perhaps Musk's role in this new Trump administration, with maybe a government efficiency group, Dan, and Kathy Wood sounded very bullish on that. She liked the idea of Musk playing an active role there. As a financial analyst, though, Dan, do you like that idea, or would you be concerned that would be distracting for Musk, a guy who already has a lot on his plate?
Yeah, I think, look, Josh, is there a distraction? Of course. But I think there's a comfort for tech investors. I think just in terms of the overall industry on Wall Street, that you have someone like Musk being a sort of whisper for Trump around China tariffs, around AI. I think there's going to be significant AI investments within the US. And that's bullish just for overall tech. And I think that's playing an important role here. It's also why NVIDIA is up despite some of the worries about tariffs and everything else. And I think there'll be carve outs for tariffs when it comes to Tesla, when it comes to Apple. This is a Goldilocks scenario for any tech investor going into the weekend.
Wow, 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 wow. A Goldilocks for every tech investor. And if you invest in Nvidia, if you invest in VD, if you invest in Tesla, if you invest in Tesla, that is all tech, baby. That is all tech, guys. But again, guys, I know I've been like wiping, talking for a long time. I want to try to keep this video short. But again, guys, I just want to give you a quick update on the portfolio that I'm developer for the last 4 or 5 years. And again, guys, uh, this can be you guys. No forget, guys. This is no about me. This is about us, guys, and all of us. If we can play Tesla in the right way, guys, I think that will be all of us very happy. But guys, I hope that you enjoy your weekend. I have a couple of things that I need to do today, but I will come back with more video. And again, guys, if you can buy some of my merchandise, really cool, good quality, and the coffee, guy. Oof, the coffee on my merchandise here. Ooh. Mm. Of course, you come with that coffee, you need to put your own coffee. But it's just it's a lucky charm. This is a lucky charm, guys. I got these before. Oh, I'm sorry. I got these before that. The stock went up. It can be a coincidence, but you know what I mean. But guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much to be so kind with me, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.